Hey, what is up, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, coming to you from snowy Glasgow. And in this one, if you can see my screen alright, I just wanted to show you how to set up split testing and why having split testing implemented before you drive any traffic to your websites is very important, especially if you are amateur wanting to go pro level. From what I've found out since starting is that every single professional will use split testing to optimize their websites. So if you can see here, I have 2 split tests set up at the minute, and as of when I give you your free website that I use for myself as well, I've set up, if you can see here, it says want to get an email alert when you have a winner or loser, and I have it set to yes. So since giving you the website, I've actually been sending visitors to this website that I give you, and I've been split testing against 3 other websites. So I just want to show you the results here and what came of it. So I just go to my funnels, and I want to show you something here, is that this one of these websites here is the one I give you. So this is the one here I give you, and I made a clone of that same one and modified it slightly, and then I got a completely different page altogether, and I'm going to show you here what each 3 of these websites look like and what I done with them. Alright, so this is the one I give you, and you can see here it's still the same headline, how to make money online so you can avoid creating multiple jobs. And if you can see here, the setup I have at the minute is it does the review, then it has the opt-in form, and it has a thank you page. And I'll show you each of the pages you can see here. And this is the opt-in form, and then the thank you page. And that was the way I set it up, and this is the same website I give you. The only difference is that I cloned this website and then made this one, which is the same structure but just a little bit different. So you can see the review is the same, then the opt-in form is slightly different, the questions were slightly different, and the thank you page was different as well. Then I went ahead and made a 3rd entry funnel, and this was what it kind of looked like here. Then I had the thank you page, budget page, and it was a lot simpler. So when I set this up the first time and started bringing visitors to my site, I found out that this separate page didn't really convert very well. It didn't convert at all for me, and I got an email notification when I had a significant amount of visitors to this split test and found out that this was a loser. So I cut this loser, and I don't use that anymore in the split test. So I started running just against these 2 because these 2 were performing the best for me. That was the blue one and the red one. And I just got this email, and it says split test results for the app funnel, and you can see here when I clicked on that, it takes me to here, and when I clicked on total clicks, it's saying everything you need is 100% the winner. It's got 81.7% confidence compared to the how to make money online so you can avoid creating multiple jobs. And what I'm going to do next is make this everything you need one here, that was the split test winner. I'm going to make it the control, and since it's a blue headline, I'm actually going to split test the headline color, because I read in the book 108 split test winners that red headlines perform the best, and you can see from the results here that 28.6% conversion rate is, from what I know, a good conversion rate to be proud of, and that's telling me that if I buy 100 clicks, 100 visitors, I can get 30 people on my email list consistently. And this is what I wanted to show you, was split testing and getting it all set up. Now, how you set it up is you're going to want to go to your tracking software, and I'll have the link to that for you as well. But you can see when you click here, you can see split testing, and you just want to click split testing, and you'll add in your different funnel entry links, and this is how you're going to start split testing and really optimizing your entry funnel for maximum conversions. And this is the one I had for you today, my friend. Have a great one. See ya.